Hands up in the air! Woohoo! Yeah, come on!
What? What's going on?
This music is lit! Let's run!
Sammy, what's going on here?
Boo! Bring the music back! DJ Sam! DJ Sam! Oh!
Sam, turn the music off!
Uh-oh! No! Sam, turn it up! I can't. I don't know what to do. What do I do?
What a mess! Sam, how long has it been like this?
It's fine. Out of sight, out of mind. Right?
No, let's fix this. You need a file folder.
Oh, I really do.
Hey, Sam. Sam,
Yeah.
can you hear me? Hello? Impossible. Where's the cardboard? And what is this? He's always like that.
Dude. Huh? Did you say something, Sue? Alrighty then.
Well, that was unexpected. At least I found cardboard.
Oh, is that a puzzle?
Huh?
You know I'm really good at puzzles. Sue, give it to me, please. Okay, this goes here and over there. Whoa! The last one should go, there. All right. Here you go. It's all done.
Hey, it doesn't look like a folder. And why is candy in here?
Oh, you know, to fill in the blanks.
Yeah, right. Let's just stick to the plan, shall we, Sammy? Oh, where did he go again?
Oh, I can see that. When we're done, I'll be the coolest slime ever. Your music is so cool. Oh,
Yeah, be our party leader.
sure thing.
Sammy, no time to rest.
Hey, can slime have a dream?
Oh, of course you can. There's no doubt about it. But isn't it better to do everything you can to make your dream a reality? So come on, where are the other parts? Oh, what's that?
Get ready to see something truly spectacular. Behold, the peak of my creation.
Huh?
Ta-da! I call it gorgeous beauty.
This is really great, but we need final details. So I'm taking this.
Of course, it's not just art, it's a message. Let's destroy it just as I intended. Some smash!
I guess I don't get modern art at all. And it's done.
Finally, I'm getting tired of waiting, you know. Let's see if it fits. Come on, close up, you.
No. I meant step 1 of making the folders done. Now we need to decorate it.
Oh, that's right. It's like makeup, but for a folder. You're a genius, Sue. Okay, just a little more. Sue, I found the perfect makeup applicator. I'm sure I got it right. Come on, I'll put some on you too.
No. Oh, I was able to avoid that horrifyingly beautiful makeup. But there is still some foundation left. And I know what to do with it. Oh, I completely forgot. We need texture, and it's better be bright.
I should make myself a new Super DJ costume.
Sammy, it's for the craft.
Fine. Let's see who wins this one.
Okay, we need to glue the texture very carefully. It's important to avoid air bubbles.
Violating safety rules. The texture shouldn't extend this far beyond the craft.
Huh? What? I was just trying to…
No need to explain, dear. Just cut off the excess.
Here, I trimmed everything. Am I still in trouble?
Nope, but here is your fine. From now on, be careful.
How many cat coins? Oh, my chibidaba.
Over here. Thanks a lot, Miss O. Here you go, just like we agreed.
Oh, thank you, dear. Ta-ta.
Now I'm gonna wear this Super DJ costume to all the parties. How do you like it, friends? I look absolutely amazing, or what?
I'd better focus on the craft. I will deal with that fine later. Here we need to bend the texture inward. It's harder than it looks. What am I supposed to do now?
Is there nothing everything that I need in here. Boring. Well, hello there, brand new DJ station. Oh, it is so awesome. And the 50% discount? Lucky me. Oh, my precious. It is like a dream came true. Unbelievable.
Now, this would definitely work for us.
Hello there. I'm buying this.
That would be 150 cat coins.
Just a second. Huh? So, about the money. Funny story. Hey, freeze, you thief!
Now it looks so much better.
Sue, help! I'm being chased! What to do? I know! This way she won't recognize me. La 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 la. A little glue here, a little glue there. I'm just working. Where is that thief? Hello, sir. Have you seen this guy? I am just a simple handyman. I do whatever handyman does. Okay. That was close.
I guess it's my fault, Sammy. I took your card.
You did what? I can't believe it, Sue. How could you?
Sorry. Well, it all ended well, right?
Define well. I will never catch him. Psst. I know who the real thief is.
Tell me everything.
Follow me.
Oh, I really like this color.
Stop right there, you criminal.
What? But I didn't do anything.
I know it was you.
Oh.
Run! Run like the wind, Sue. I'm gonna finish up here for you.
All right. That was well deserved. Are we cool now?
Yeah, we're cool. High five!
Let's get on with the crafting, shall we? This will be the control panel. And this is to adjust the music volume.
Volume is my middle name, Sue. Louder! Yay!
Sam, turn it down.
I think I overdid it.
At least now we have more pieces to decorate. Look at all those colorful buttons. I really like how it turns out.
Hey, I can't have my guests listening to music from bad speakers. So I will take care of them myself. All done.
Aw, that's so cute. It kind of looks like you.
Oh, my son. What else could we decorate it with? I know! Hey, Sue, take this.
Oh, nice touch. But let's add more bright colors to the mix.
Oh, yeah! Now we can finally test the folder.
Let me help you.
Thanks, Sue. Come on, you need to close. Why doesn't it work, Sue?
Don't worry, we just need something to close the folder with.
Hope you know what you're doing. I'm so on edge.
There we go. Carefully.
And how is it going to work, Sue?
I need a rubber band.
One rubber band coming right up. Oh, where could it be? Found it. Come here. Hey, what's wrong? I said come here.
Oh, thanks, Sammy. That's just what I needed. Now we need to put it through the openings. This way. The folder is ready. Oh, it's unbelievably cute.
Hey, everybody, let's rock! Yeah, go, Sam! Woohoo! They love me! They really love me! Hey, it was you! Stop right there!
Thanks for being with us, friends. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our new videos.
Bye-bye, everyone!